Hey guys, ExitSign250 here, and I'm going to be doing a door closer video. And obviously this is not my house, I'm at my grandparents' house. And as you saw from the title, I have just made a fake door. And I have my tail door closer on it. Now, this is not going to be coming back to my house. I'm going to keep it here. So, or maybe, I'm not sure yet, but most likely I'll keep it here, I think. So I'll try to take some requests maybe. But so far I can only do top jam and regular because parallel it won't work. So but yeah, so this is the tail door closer. And this door would have been made a lot sooner. But since not rarely, but once in a while I come over here, so every time I come over here I do little by little. So I don't work on this all the time. So we got the tail door closer on regular here, and so I'll demonstrate it. Let me sit back a little bit. This reminds me of Zippy Zombo and his. So you can open it all the way, and the closer gets all the way. So here we go. And yes, this thing is off my door, so obviously. Do this again. And you probably noticed it doesn't latch all the way. It's supposed to go in there, but something about this hinge and how I made it, the door likes to hang down a little bit. So, and there's the hinges right there, and then the closer. Now, I'll get another shot of it from behind. And here's why I can't do parallel, because see, it's flat right here, so I can only do top jam. There's the closer on this side. So, let me push it. So yeah. Now what I can do now is I will take this closer down and I will mount it on top jam. So I'll do 2 more demonstrations and then I will mount it on the other side. And I might do a time lapse. Alright, and also I have this little knob on here. It's from a drawer. And these doors, if you want to make a homemade door, if you have a door closer and your parents, or you don't want to put it on your door, or any door, these are perfect. Might take a while to make, it might be a little frustrating, but in the end it'll be worth it. And I have some bricks there holding it down. So, alright, I'm going to be doing a time lapse, and see you once this thing's on the other side. I don't know. There's another shot of it. So the closer is down, as you can see. And here's how I was saying about the door. It's supposed to lean up a little bit, and it can easily close. See? But it likes to hang down. So, now, let's do the time lapse installing it on top jam. Alright, now with top jam, we can adjust it if we have to. So I got my granddad's screwdriver. And something also I noticed is when the cap is on the closer, the cover kind of pops out a little bit more, like that. I don't know if, I've never noticed that when I was on regular, but, you know. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it. And it can open up all the way. And yeah, I know the shoe, a little bit wiggly, but that's okay, I didn't find the right screws. Alright, yeah, I think the sweep goes a little bit too fast. So we're going to slow it down. Alright, now let's open it up. You can speed it up a little. Alright, let it focus. There we go. Too fast. Slow it down some more. Okay. Hopefully this will be good. Let me change angles. Mostly so I can reach. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, that's alright. We can scoot back over here and move the drill cover over there. Yeah, I was trying to do it because it's a little bit difficult pushing it. But let me make it a tad slower, and then I think we'll be okay. Alright. Yeah, I think that's a good speed. Don't know about you guys, but yeah, I think that's good. Alright. Let's push it. Alright, let's switch to the other side. Ow. Alright, so there's where it was in regular. There it is. I'm trying to hold it in my foot for a second. This really reminds me about Zippy Zombo. Yep. But yeah, this is the homemade door. I hope you guys like it. And I might be able to take some requests today, because I'm leaving today. So I might can take a couple requests. So alright, now I want to try something. Let me do this. Alright, so I'll do one more demonstration and that will be it. Okay, scoot up. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys like the new homemade door. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.